Okay, when we speak about the rights or the role of women in French Revolution, the name we should never forget is Olympe de Gouges. The period was 1748 to 1793. She was one of the most important politically active women in revolutionary France. There could be a short answer question about her. Also, remember this can be a long answer question or essay question or short answer question. The role of women. It is important. Please do remember all the points we are going through. Slide one, slide two, and this slide is all includes if it is an essay question. And improvements done by revolutionary government could be a short answer question. Olympe de Gouges could be another one. So she was the most important of the politically active women in revolutionary France. She protested against the constitution and the declaration of men and citizen, rights of men and citizen, because of the same reason we have said before. Constitution ignored the role of women, and the right of men and citizen also did not consider the rights of women as equal, as important as men. So she was against it as many other revolutionary women, and she openly protested against the constitution and the declaration of rights of men and citizen. As she said, they were both of these documents did exclude women from basic rights which were liberty, fraternity, and equality of women. And moreover, she even wrote a declaration of her own. She wrote a declaration of rights of women and citizens. And she sent it to the queen and to the senators or assembly members. It was a general assembly at that time, if you remember. And she said they should act upon this document. In your textbook on page number 20, on the right hand side, on the in the blue box, you will find it, and the homework for you is to write a, a short points only. 5 points are there, and main points are there of Declaration of Rights of Women and Citizen. Make 5 short points. Should not be more than one sentence or two for each point in your note. Please don't send it until I say, but do write it so that you will learn it, and this is your assignment. Okay. Now she wrote a Declaration of Rights of Women and Citizen and demanded Queen and the General Assembly to act on it. In 1793, she criticized the Jacobin government for forcefully closing down the women club during the reign of terror of famous Maximilien Robespierre. What did he do? He just closed down all women clubs, and he revoked, means he changed it back. All the rights of men and citizen. We have seen that during the when we studied Reign of Terror. So he shut down all the women clubs, and Olympe de Gouges in 1793 criticized the Jacobin government. You know very well what happens when you criticize Maximilien Robespierre's rule, isn't it? What did we see? He guillotined all his enemies. When somebody criticizes him, he consider him or her as an enemy. So she was tried by the National Convention. It was the National Convention when Maximilien Robespierre came in. So she was tried by National Convention for the charge of treason. We have seen the word treason before. It was working against on government, on state, on nation, on one's own nation. Or it's a betrayal. So she was charged of treason and she was executed. So remember Olympe de Gouges. Now, after that, during the reign of terror, women clubs were closed and their political activities were banned by Maximilien Robespierre. As I said, that's when she questioned Jacobin government and she was executed. Um, Women's movement for equal political rights and equal wages, as we know, continued for long. I think it is in 20 end of 20th century or beginning of 21st century, countries start to open up and give the right for women to actively participate and have equal right to men. And the moment continued from that time, 1791 onwards. This struggle was continuing until 21st century or four. When we speak about French women in 1946, women in France won the right to vote. So it was until that time they had no political equality or political equal rights as men. So this is the topic we are studying today. Here I conclude. Please do write the notes. The notes are, as I said, it is on the slide. Whatever I have put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as a dotted point, please do write it in your notes. Whatever I have highlighted in a different color, it is a triggering words. That's what you have to by heart. Once you by heart that one, you will remember the point. Do read the text thorough couple of times. It will help you to learn it better. Listen to the narrative. I'm telling it as a story. And I'll be sending you 5 questions about history. Short answer means multi-choice questions. Please do attend it and make sure you're sending it back to me by 10 o'clock. Thank you very much. And now you'll have the other geography and the 3 modules coming in. Have a good day. Relax. Have some fun. Thank you.